The iron ores are concentrated by gravity separation, froth flotation process, amalgamation or hand picking. Correct answer is gravity separation, which is also called hydraulic washing. So iron ore is washed with a stream of water under pressure so that lighter impurities are washed away and heavy minerals are left behind. The material mixed before the calcined ore is subjected for smelting in extraction of iron are coke and silica, coke and limestone, limestone and silica, coke, limestone and silica. Correct answer is coke and limestone. B part is the correct answer. Coke acts as reducing agent, rather it produces reducing agent carbon monoxide. Limestone will give calcium oxide which acts as a flux and removes silica in the form of slag. Smelting of iron in blast furnace involves all the following processes except combustion, reduction, slag formation, sublimation. Sublimation is not involved in this. Combustion of carbon takes place in presence of oxygen to form CO2, which raises the temperature of blast furnace to 1500 degrees centigrade. Reduction of Fe2O3 is done by carbon monoxide to form Fe and carbon dioxide. CaO reacts with SiO2 to form calcium silicate, which is slag. Sublimation does not take place in blast furnace. The maximum temperature 1500 degrees centigrade is obtained in dash region of the blast furnace used in extraction of iron, reduction, fusion, combustion, slag formation. Correct answer is combustion region, where carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and temperature is raised to 1500 degrees centigrade. In extraction of iron in the blast furnace, the reducing agent for the ore is carbon, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, silica. Correct answer is carbon monoxide. The iron obtained from blast furnace is called pig iron, cast iron, wrought iron, steel. Correct answer is pig iron, which contains impurities like carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, silicon and manganese. Purest form of iron is pig iron, cast iron, wrought iron, steel. Correct answer is wrought iron, which is purest form of iron. The carbon content in steel is 0.21 to 0.25, 2 to 2.5, 0.25 to 2%, 5 to 8%. Correct answer is 0.25 to 2%. Stainless steel contains iron and zinc or copper or aluminium or chromium. Stainless steel contains chromium along with iron and carbon. So this is also called chrome steel or stainless steel. So D part is the correct answer. Small amount of nickel is also present in it. If red hot steel is suddenly immersed in water, the steel becomes soft and malleable, hard and brittle, tough and ductile, fibrous. Correct answer is becomes hard and brittle, and this process is called quenching. Axles are made by heating rods of iron embedded in charcoal powder. The process is known as tempering, annealing, hardening, case hardening. Correct answer is case hardening. Here, layer of iron carbide is formed at the surface, which makes it hard. Tempering is heating red hot steel at a particular temperature and then cooling it. Annealing is very slow cooling of red hot steel. And hard steel will be formed if red hot steel is put suddenly into water, so we get hard steel. Iron is rendered passive by treatment of sulfuric acid dilute, H3PO4, concentrated nitric acid, concentrated HCl. Correct answer is concentrated nitric acid because it forms an oxide layer which does not react further. C part is the correct answer. Dilute sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, HCl are not oxidizing agents. They can't be used. Nitriding is the process of heating steel in atmosphere of ammonia, oxygen, carbon dioxide, air. Correct answer is ammonia. A layer of iron nitride is formed on the surface, so surface becomes hard. In the metallurgy of iron, when limestone is added to the blast furnace, the calcium ion ends up in slag, gangue, metallic calcium, calcium carbonate. Correct answer is slag. It forms calcium silicate, which is slag. It floats over molten iron and can be removed. It also prevents iron from oxidation. So A part is the correct answer. Annealing is a process heating the steel bright red and then cooling suddenly, heating the steel bright red and then cooling slowly, heating the rods of iron embedded in charcoal, heating the rods of iron in ammonia. Heating the steel bright red and then cooling suddenly is called quenching. Heating the steel bright red and then cooling slowly is called annealing, which gives soft steel which is malleable and ductile. Heating rods of iron embedded in charcoal is called case hardening. Heating the rods of iron in ammonia is called nitriding. So here correct answer is B part. Which one of the metals does not form amalgam? Zinc, silver, copper, iron. Correct answer is iron. Iron does not form amalgam because size of mercury and iron is entirely different and there's no interaction between them. So amalgam is not formed. Rust is Fe2O3, FeO into XH2O, Fe2O3 into XH2O, or Fe3O4 into XH2O. C part is the correct answer. It's a hydrated ferric oxide. When steam is passed over red hot iron, the substances formed are Fe2O3 plus hydrogen, Fe3O4 plus hydrogen, FeO plus hydrogen, FeO plus hydrogen plus oxygen. Correct answer is Fe3O4 plus hydrogen. Magnetic oxide of iron is formed. Fe3O4 is mixture of FeO and Fe2O3. In upper surface, ferric oxide is formed. In the inner surface, ferrous oxide is formed. Because sufficient oxygen is available in upper surface leading to the formation of ferric oxide, but inner surface does not contain enough oxygen, it forms ferrous oxide. The mixture is called magnetic oxide of iron or iron 2, iron 3 oxide. B part is the correct answer. Iron is obtained on large scale from Fe2O3 by reduction with aluminium, calcium, reduction with hydrogen, reduction with carbon monoxide. Correct answer is reduction with carbon monoxide. No doubt we can reduce it with aluminium for thermite welding, but on large scale we use carbon monoxide as reducing agent. FeSO4 is known as green vitriol, white vitriol, blue vitriol or vitriol. Correct answer is green vitriol. FeSO4 into 7H2O is green vitriol, ZnSO4 into 7H2O is white vitriol, CuSO4 into 5H2O is called blue vitriol. Oil of vitriol is sulfuric acid. Bessemer converter is used in manufacture of pig iron, steel, wrought iron, cast iron. Correct answer is steel. The color of moher salt is red, blue, white, green. It is light green in color. Moher salt is light green in color. So D part is the correct answer. In our country, iron is obtained from the ore cassiterite. Cassiterite is SnO2. Azurite is Cu2Cu, CO3 into CuOS twice. Hematite is Fe2O3, cryolite is Na3AlF6, so it is clear that C part is the correct answer. Because cassiterite is tin stone SnO2 ore of tin. Azurite 2CuCl3 into CuOS twice is ore of copper. Cryolite Na3AlF6 is added to bauxite so as to reduce its melting point and increase electrical conductivity. Hematite is the ore of iron from which iron can be obtained in our country. Which one of the following elements constitute the major impurity in pig iron? Graphite, oxygen, sulfur and silicon. Correct answer is graphite or carbon. It's the major impurity is around 4%. Which of the following beneficiation process is used for bauxite ore Al2O3 into XH2O, froth flotation, leaching, liquefaction, magnetic separation? Correct answer is leaching. It is leached with sodium hydroxide which forms sodium metaaluminate which is treated with carbon dioxide to precipitate purified alumina. Impurities remain in aqueous solution or removed by filtration. Froth flotation process is used for sulfide ores. Liquefaction is used for purification of tin metal which contains iron as an impurity. Here impurities have higher melting point than metal itself. Magnetic separation is used to separate magnetic ores which are attracted by magnet and impurities are not. Hematite, magnetite can be concentrated by magnetic separation. So B part is the correct answer. Even pyrolusite CrO3 that is chromite ore can also be separated or concentrated by magnetic separation.